All right, Meyer lemons. What are we gonna do with all of these extras? It is citrus season. Leave them on the tree to get cold. It'll make things a little bit sweeter. Just look at these Meyer lemons. Minimal seeds. So much juice. Like if you're used to store-bought lemons, it's night and day. It's crazy. This is like a sheet of paper. And look how orange it is. A tangerine meets a lemon. Here, let's look at it this way. Can you see? Is the camera doing this justice? That's like, my gosh. And realistically, you could just do this with just Meyer lemons. Some of the best lemonade you probably would ever have. You know, the more that I'm gardening, the more that I'm figuring out. The reason why these aren't sold in stores is because shelf life. You can leave these on a tree for a long time and they stay fine. You take them off though and they will harden within a couple weeks. Things at stores need to stay on shelves and whatnot for a longer period of time, but you're missing out on so much by not being able to do these varieties on your own. Now you could just add some honey to this if you want it to be a little bit sweet. To me, honestly, Meyer lemons themselves, I cut these up and eat them, kind of like a lemon head. So I think this is delicious just this way. If you are in a desert, get citrus. Don't just get the stuff you can get in stores. Get something different, something new. Leave me all the comments. Let's grow.